Hey everybody, Tyson Curtis here, a master distributor here at LSN, and I created this video to kind of keep everybody in the loop on exactly what's going on with LSN going into the pre-launch of Lead System Network 2.0. So as you notice, if you log into your Lead System Network account, you will see that we've made several changes to the dashboard. We've made these changes to the dashboard so that you guys have a better understanding on how to use the tools. As you log in, it's not all done right now. We are in beta right now, but we will eventually have a 3-video series right here on the dashboard that will give you an introduction of the opportunity in the company. We'll give you a complete system navigation right here on your dashboard that will teach you and all of your customers on how to use these tools, and a nice how to earn video as well. Now in the dashboard here, you guys will see that we added some fields, my customers, my earnings, and request payout. We also added a new drag and drop editor, and we have a phone dialer coming soon, which is really cool. The phone dialer is kind of like, I don't know if you've seen some of the sites out there like Phone Burner and whatnot that can cost you about $150 a month. We're going to be including that in our newer version of LSN 2.0. So this is the deal. We're in beta right now, and if you look at this clock here at the top of the screen, it says 13 days, 7 hours, 20 minutes, and 28 seconds. This is a countdown clock until pre-launch. So over the next 13 days, when you guys log into your account, you're going to see a lot of updates going on here in the Lead System Network back office. So right now, everything works just like it was, before. You can go to the Marketing Hub, and here's the old look and whatnot. So you can still access all your tools right now in beta. But you're going to notice that there's new pages, and maybe some of the pages are not completely finished. That's because we decided to do all the edits in real time for you, so that way you guys can kind of follow along with us as we get ready for pre-launch here. Now, once we do go into pre-launch, which will be September 1st, we're going to give you guys 30 days to promote for LSN 2.0, and we will officially launch October 1st. But let me go ahead and show you one of the new tools that I'm really proud of inside Lead System Network 2.0, and that's the new drag and drop editor. So if you click on drag and drop editor, you do have to be a paid member to access this, but if you click on the new drag and drop editor, what you'll want to do next once you get in here, you want to go up here to the top of the screen and click on responsive. Okay, the template's responsive, and when you click on responsive, let me show you what you can do with this thing. It's really cool compared to our old editor. So first off, let's go ahead and add a video to our capture page. So we'll just go over here to YouTube, and we'll go ahead and grab just a video, any video right now. I'll just go ahead and grab any of it. And when we get here, we'll just grab a link. We don't need embedded code or anything like that because this editor is super smart. We'll go to the camera over here. We'll throw the link in there from that YouTube video. And boom, look at that. The video is there. Super easy. You can make the video bigger, larger, smaller. I'll go ahead and set it for that size just to kind of show you guys how it works. Now, what we also have over here on the left, we have these little empty blocks here. So when you're putting this together, just think of Tetris. Those of you that played Tetris are going to be really good at this because you've got this block, and I added the block here. I'll just put that block right above that video, and then by increasing the size of the block, it moves that image down the screen. So as you're building this page, you just need to think of Tetris. The next thing that we're going to add here is we're going to add a opt-in form. So I'll go ahead and select first name, phone number, email, and then I'll go ahead and go to the library where we've got all these images already uploaded for you guys for the opt-in form. And I'll go ahead and just select a button that we already have in the system, so that way it doesn't take too much time here to show you guys how this works. So I'll just go ahead and grab any one of these buttons here. I'll click on save over here on the bottom right and confirm, and now I have an opt-in box. See, that's pretty cool, right? Now I can take this opt-in box and put it anywhere on the page that I choose, which is really cool. And I can change the size of the opt-in box just like that. By moving that Tetris block around just like that, I can move little things around on the screen. So that's pretty cool as well. Now some other things that you can do is you can add like a slider to your page. So let me show you how that works. I'll just go ahead and add a couple images to the page here and download a couple images from my computer, just random photos from my computer here. And let's see, I'm just grabbing random pictures here for you guys. Not really thinking about what I'm putting here. I'm just going to throw some stuff in here so you guys, got a good idea of how this slider works here. It's really cool. Okay, so I've got a couple images down there. So if you see at the bottom of the page what the slider is every so many seconds, I'm not moving the mouse or anything, but you'll see that the sliders just slide. So you can choose, several different images on your, your sales page, and that's pretty cool, right? So these are some of the features. You can add video, you can add opt-in form, you can do that. You can add slider, you can add a headline, you can add images, just regular images. Another really cool thing about images is you can just, come on over here to Google, and search for images. I'll just go ahead and search for like a Ferrari or something and go to images, and I'll just go to the first image that I see. And then when I get to the image, I just found it on Google, right? I'll copy the link to that, and I'll just put it in here, confirm, and now there's the Ferrari. Pretty cool, right? So now I can put the Ferrari on my capture page. Pretty awesome, right? Now another thing that you can do is you can go over here to YouTube, and let's say you want to grab like a video, and you want a video background. You'll think this is really cool. Watch this. Come on over here to the editor. We can click on this little video background deal and put the link in there. And now I got a capture page with the video in the background.
Whether it was due to a temporary lapse in focus, unnecessarily high speed spurred on by the desire to annihilate its competition, or the unknowable forces of fate, Eli Tomac's season-ending crash at round 3 provided an open door for those chasing him in the championship, and a reminder that
now the other thing inside your system, one thing that we're going to want you guys to do is make sure your personal settings are set up. So you'll click on this little icon right here, and make sure you add your Facebook ID, your Skype ID, your Twitter ID, your personal website, whatever business that it is that you're promoting right now. Make sure you add and update these fields, because when your members, the people that you bring into Lead System Network to log in, it'll show their sponsors' details right here. And whatever you have in those fields over here will show up here for your members, so they can, get in contact with you. So those are some of the things that are going on. Now, the cost on the services are going to stay the same. It's, the $30 basic, or in the $19.95 reseller, that's still in place, so still $49.95 a month. Now, we do have that 14-day free trial. When someone grabs that, or you promote that using this link right here, you can get others in at 14 days for free. At the end of the 14 days, they'll be charged the $49.95, and when they're charged that $49.95, you'll earn a $30 commission. That will be your commission, still 100% commission on that, and every single month that they make the payment, you'll be earning that. So hey guys, I look forward to working with all of you through the beta. If you guys see anything in the system that you'd like changed or upgraded, or things that you think that we should apply, you can always send a support request by doing the request help button here. It'll take you over to a page where you can send some support, request. And this is going to be a really fun launch, guys. So I just want to kind of keep everyone in the loop, let you guys know what's going on. Make sure you have an updated account with LSN right now. We will have thousands and thousands of people in the system when we do launch. I think right now we have a little over 100,000 members. Very possible over the next 6 months we could have 250,000. So it's going to be a fun ride, everybody. Thanks for being here during the beta. You guys know, like I told you, this is beta, so try not to judge us too much based on what we have back here. We're showing you transparency here, that we're building this in real time. 13 days from now, site's going to look way different, totally glossy, upgraded. It's going to be amazing feel, easy for everyone to use, simple, easy, and then even more amazing as we release some of the more some more of the other products like phone dialer and stuff into, the October 1st actual launch. So beta for the next 13 days, recap, and then we're going to have pre-launch from September 1st to September 1st to October 1st, pre-launch, and then October 1st launch. So we'll see you guys around. Thanks for being here. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.